Hello, I'm going to review how to use the place value chart to compare and order numbers. Usually, when they want you to order numbers, they will give you a set of numbers of 3 or more that they want you to put in order from greatest to least or least to greatest. So the first thing that you need to do is put your place value chart inside your whiteboard and then copy down the numbers that they're giving you. So for example, they might give you 561,028, 582,073, 549,006. So they give you those numbers, and what you do is you write them inside your place value chart. You could even draw lines going across to make rows so that you can see the difference between all of them. So then the first thing that you do is you look to see that they all have the same amount of numbers. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. This one has 6 numbers. This one has 6 numbers. So then what we do is we go to the far left. Okay, so we have 100,000s. So we look at these numbers and we see, okay, here's a 5, and a 5. They're all the same. So I need to go to the next one. 10,000s. I have a 6, an 8, and a 4. So if they want me to go from greatest to least, then I need to find the greatest number, the biggest number. And my biggest number is an 8. So that tells me that this number, 582,073, is actually going to be, let me switch numbers. It's actually going to be the greatest number, the biggest one. Then I have these two numbers left. So I need to find out which one would come next and which one would come last. So I see that they both have 5s. Then if I go to the 10,000s place, I see that one's a 6 and one's a 4. So I know 6 is bigger than 4. So my next one is going to be this one. Let me add some color there. And then that tells me that this one is the least, the smallest one, because it has a 5, but the next number in the 10,000s is a 4. So then this one right here is going to be my least number, the smallest one that I can see. Okay, so if I were to write these numbers in order from greatest to least, let me do this here. Let me make this a little bigger so that you can see. My first number would be this one. So I would write that down. 500. Make sure I can do that. 582,073. And I put a semicolon to separate that. Then I have 561,028. And then I put a semicolon there. And then I have 549,006. So then this would be my answer from greatest to least. So the biggest to the smallest. If they want least to greatest, then I would be writing it in a different way. I would start with this one, then do this one, and then do that one. So if you have any questions, let me know.